In this video I will show you the proper way to peel a banana. Let's go. So take the banana, and if you look closely here, this is how you peel the banana and eat it. Okay, so you could open it from this side or from this side. Save half a banana for later. In the skin, and open this one like this. And then you can bite or take a piece like this and eat it. And you can keep this for later or give it to someone, share it, or you eat it. Hold it like this. You should need to eat more than one banana. They are full of sugar, but they're actually good for you. Don't know, depends. You like bananas or you don't like bananas.